Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's UPSC toppers answer copy analysis, we are going to see all India rank 3 UPSC 2024 Dongre Archit Parag answer copy. So let's go into the question which has been asked here. What are the key areas of reform if the IMF has to align with the current economic realities? So there is a single component in the question and it is a 10 marker. Will be given a maximum of 2 pages to present our answer, and this topper has utilized the space management in an effective manner. And if you look at this particular question, this is picked from GS paper 2 International Organization component. Okay, let's now try to analyze this particular topper, All India Rank 3, Dongre Archit Parag's answer writing technique. There is a clear introduction which is visible and it is written in a short and crisp manner of 3.5 lines, followed by a schematic diagram based approach. The schematic diagrams is going to fetch him extra marks because this is a crucial value addition in answer writing technique. Followed by that, the body of the answer has been written in a subheading come point-wise approach. In the subheading, there is since only one component in the question, he has given that one subheading. Followed by a conclusion which he has written in a bit lengthier manner. I would be advising my students to write conclusion in a crisp of 3 to 3.5 lines. Okay, let's go into the introduction here. Recently, Prime Minister called for transformation and reformation of multilateral institutions in the spirit of reflecting the global order and its present reality. So he's trying to link the current affairs in the introduction itself. So he's trying to add value to his answer. Followed by this schematic diagram will fetch him another 1 mark extra. And if you look at its conclusion as well, he's trying to link with the current affairs of his conclusion. So he'll be getting easily that 1 mark. And if you look at the body of the answer, he's trying to highlight the keywords and he's trying to present his answer in a point-based approach. So for the 6 points he has written, each point will be getting half a mark. So he'll be getting 3 marks for this body of the answer. And he has quoted relevant data also. For this value addition, he will be getting another half a mark extra. So overall, in this particular answer, he will be getting for introduction 1, conclusion 1, 2 mark. And for this schematic diagram 1, 3 marks. And for the body of the diagram, 3.5. So overall, he will be getting 6.5 mark out of 10 mark. And I would say this is going to be one of the highest mark you will be getting for GS paper 2 International Organization component. The reason why I am saying is that if you look at its real mark sheet in GS paper 2, he got out of 250 marks, 123 marks. This is going to be very high marks. The reason being for each question he has constantly got a minimum of 6.5 to 7 marks. And even if you look at its written total, 848, which is very higher than All India Rank 1. Sakti base marks is 843 only. So from Dongre Archit Parag, the important key learnings what we need to learn is that inclusion of schematic diagrams in our international organization and the usage of data and introduction and conclusion, we can link it with the current affairs to fetch maximum marks. So let's now go into the conclusion. What we can learn from today's video is that the structure of the answer is important. Introduction, body and conclusion should be written. Introduction and conclusion should be linked with current affairs in international organization question component. Body of the answer should be written in subheading come point-wise approach, and wherever possible schematic diagrams and data should be added to fetch maximum marks. Students, whenever you are writing GS paper 2 International Organization component, try to include these points in your answer as well. And if you have any doubts, you can join our Telegram group and get your doubts resolved. Thank you, students.